And now we turn to our app of the week, and it comes from Warren this week, and it's the app Water Resistant.
All right. Thank you so much, Ed. So I was just, as always, stumbling around on the Play Store, and I ran into this app called Water Resistant Tester or something like that, test. And I thought, hey, I'll give it a test and see what it is like, of course, to see if whether this thing is accessible or not. And so I installed a water resistant resistor or whatever on my Pixel 1, the first generation Pixel, talking about the Google Pixels here. And this is water resistant on my Pixel 1.
Water resistance tester.
So when you launch the app,
Water resistance tester. This app will help you test whether the water resistance seals on your phone are still intact by using the barometer built into your phone. Do note that the seals can become compromised with drops and device aging. Keep your phone away from all liquids. App. Pressure.
And so there are these buttons that says pressure.
STD. Deviation. 973.76 Pa. 0.02 Pa. Current pressure. 973.91 Pa. Status. Please quickly and firmly press on your phone screen with both thumbs.
Okay, so this is where I would test it. So ideally, what you do is you put the phone down flat on your desk, and then you press down on it. So I'm going to put it down here on my desk, and then we'll see what the result is. And I'll let go, and I'll see what it says.
Support the developer /remove AD. Your phone does not appear to be water resistant. Try removing your phone's case and pressing quicker and firmer on the screen.
So it tells me that my phone does not appear to be water resistant. Of course, this Pixel 1 is not water resistant. So if you want to check as to how resistant your phone is to water, if you want to be like my friend Rana there and then dumping your phone in the water and washing it just to show that your phone is water resistant, you want to first use this app to see if indeed that phone is resistant to water, or else you'll have a phone that is deader than a doorknob or something crazy like that. So that is water resistant.
When I was having the Note 5, Note 5 is not water resistant. So by mistake, I poured some water on the phone, and then it stopped working. So what I did, I ordered some rice. I ordered 1 kilogram of rice, and I put my phone inside of the rice bag, and I closed the bag. I kept it for like 2 hours, and I turned it on, and it worked.
Yeah, there you go. People have been talking about the rice, but another thing that people say is actually more effective than rice is that silicone. Like when you buy some shoes or when you buy new stuff, you have that little bag of silicone in there. It's very effective.
Well, that's what that's for as well. I mean, normally you don't have that around, I guess, which is why you stick your phone in a bag of rice. That silicone is meant to be a drying agent, isn't it, for trainers? So, yeah, that's why that would work.
Yeah.